Alright guys, so out here at SVP Motorsports in Davie, getting ready to finally get the car dyno tuned. The man himself, Jono, the wanker, Grandpa Mac. Alrighty guys, so it's time to get tuned. We're going to be running the Emerald K6 standalone. Jono's flew in all the way from England to tune the car, and we're going to have a good time. So you'll see a few new modifications that I made. One is the Tial blow-off valve, and I also made a custom adapter to fit my intake air temp sensor. So again, here's the Emerald K6 standalone, and that's what will be powering the M42. Basically the car is making about 240 to the crank. I'll take that. How much boost was that? With 6? Huh? 198 and 165. Guys, that was on 6 PSI. 6 PSI, 200 horsepower. Jono. Alright guys, so currently we're at 200 horsepower, 165 foot-pounds of torque, and that's to the wheels, and that's only 6 psi. Beginning of the tuning session. Going up to 10 psi and then drop it back down to 9 at the top. See what it does.
E31, 210 foot-pounds of torque. Let's get it. 10 PSI. Grandpa Mac. Thank you. Again, guys, stock motor, 10-to-1 compression, GT2560. Alright guys, so when I bought this car, it didn't run. Bought it for $13.50, and I brought it up to 236 wheel horsepower and 217 foot-pounds of torque. Let's go. Come on. There it is.